This is Coco.
And this is Ian. So this is the article we chose for part 1 of our statistics project.
Please pause the video and take some time to read the article.
Hi again, Ms. Lim. After a millennium of analyzing, we have come up with these 2 factors.
The first possible factor that might mislead readers is the age range of the people who participated in the survey. People younger than 18 might be mortified by other things as they are too young to have a bank account, and thus the results would not be the same if younger people had been included in the survey.
The second factor is the country that this survey was carried out in. Some countries might be more developed than others, and they might have more money, so they wouldn't be so embarrassed to show everyone their bank statements.
And this concludes our presentation.
Yeah, bye bye.
Goodbye.